So here is the breaking news about the BITS iteration 1. The result has been postponed to tomorrow, that is 9 July 5 p.m. they will publish. So once they will publish, I will surely inform you again. And after the result, there will be two type of student. One is waitlisted, second is admitted. Admitted means you have got the college and you need to pay the fee by 12th of July. That is complete fee. I think they will extend that payment date also to 13th, most probably, because one day delay is there in iteration. So accordingly you have to pay the fee, that is whole first semester fee. Then your seat will be confirmed and you will go for next round automatically. If you don't do anything, you will go automatically. If you want to get out of the counseling process, because whatever you want you have already got in next round, you may got the wrong option, then you can opt out of the counseling process. Then you will have the that seat whatever you got in first iteration. But in case of waitlisted, you have to pay the waitlist fee. If you not pay, you will be out of the counseling process, and once you will be out of the counseling process, no one can put you again, because that is the policy of BITSET. And once you out of the counseling process, you can't do any counseling for this year, that is 2024. So hope you get my point. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss the update. Tomorrow once the result will be announced, I will surely inform you. Thank you. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exams. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is DOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSAT, Comet K, EEEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sideways you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details.